Good morning, students. These days we are discussing the model test paper, and section A, B, and C of the model test paper we have discussed. Section A means the reading section. Section B means writing section we have discussed. And section C, that is the grammar portion, we have discussed. So today we are going to discuss the section D, means the literature part of our model test paper. In literature we will discuss about the book that we have, that is meant for our reading, and that is our English book, New James English Reader. So there is scene passage, scene poem, and question answers from the chapters that are meant for this pre-annual exam. So you know very well that there are three types of questions in section D, that is literature. One is your scene passage. The questions will be based on the passage. 5 questions will be there. Then scene poem. 5 questions will be there on the basis of that stanza. And then question answers from the chapters. You have to answer. So first of all, on your screen, it is the scene passage. You have to identify the chapter. Which chapter is this? Then the writer and the other questions that are based on the reading. So let us give a quick read. Then on that, as if he had lost the habit of associating place with sound, he never spoke without first wondering in this manner and forgetting to speak. Are you going to finish that pair of shoes today? Asked Defarge, motioning to Mr. Lorry to come forward. What did you say? Do you mean to finish that pair of shoes today? I can't say that. I mean to. I suppose so. I don't know. But the question remained him of his work, and he bent over it again. Mr. Lorry came silently forward, leaving the daughter by the door. So this is the passage, and you know very well. Now the questions will be there on the basis of this passage. Now see the questions. These are the questions I have made for you people. So first of all, your question is, name the chapter of the above extract. You have to tell the name of the chapter and all of you know very well that the name of the chapter is The Shoemaker, because you have read it. Now you have to tell the name of the writer. Who is the writer of the chapter? That is Charles Dickens, because this chapter has been taken from the novel of Charles Dickens, A Tale of Two Cities. Now the third question is, who is going to finish the pair of shoes that day? Who was going? Who was that person? The shoemaker, Mr. Lorry, or Defarge? Who was that? So definitely it was the shoemaker. Now the next question, who came silently forward? From the passage you find out. See these last lines. Mr. Lorry came silently forward, leaving the daughter by the door. So it is Mr. Lorry. Who came forward? Mr. Lorry. And the last question I have made for you people is, complete the sentence, he never spoke. Let us find out where is the sentence. He never spoke. See, from the top, it is the 4th line. He never spoke without first wondering in this manner and forgetting to speak. So this is your scene passage, that is from the chapter Shoemaker, the shoemaker. Now see, your next question is scene poem. So I have taken the poem A Grain of Sand for you people. a grain of sand. So let us read the stanza. What is there in the stanza, then the questions that are based on the stanza. Look what we found, my children said, unfolding fist into a gift of cork, pin, caption, pebble, shred, the proof that loving eyes can shift. The common silt for hidden gold, those glimmerings we lose with age, as price is tagged the story told, and what is lost fills us with rage. So this is the stanza. So let us see what are the questions. The questions are: number 1, name the poem. So it is very much written on the top. The name of the poem is A Grain of Sand. Now see the second question, name the poet. It is Tabish Khair. Tabish Khair, you can see from the poem. The third question that I have written for you, what is the rhyme scheme of the poem? See the first 4 lines, what is there? Sad, gift, shred, sift. The sad and shed are giving the same sound, and gift and shift, they are giving the same sound. So the rhyme scheme is A, B, A, B. A, B, A, B. This is the first 4 lines rhyme scheme. A, B, A, B. Now the next question is, who came to father? Look what we found, my children said. So it is the children who came to the father. So the answer is children came to the father. And the last question, 5th question is there. What did the children find? What are the things they find? And the things are cork, pin, caption, pebble and shred. These are the things the children find when they were playing. Now see, it is the last question of your model test paper also and section D also. These are answer the following questions. Answer the following question. The questions are there from every chapter and you have to answer them. So let us see what is the first question. The first question is, where was the poet and what did he hear while sitting there? So where was the poet sitting? The poet was sitting in a groove and he heard 1,000 blended notes, mixed sounds he heard there. So the answer is, the poet was sitting in a groove and he heard thousands of blending notes. Right? Now second question, how does the poet describe the mood of the birds? So as the birds were hopping and chirping and playing, so the mood was very much happy. The birds are very happy. Who is Atticus Finch and how can we tell that Atticus was anxious when he saw Scout, Jem and Dill? So Atticus Finch is a lawyer and he is the father of Jem and Scout. And he was anxious because he was expecting some persons, and therefore when the children were there, he was very much upset or anxious, you can say. Now the fourth question, why couldn't Harry concentrate on his lessons? Harry couldn't concentrate on his lessons because he was going to play the game of Quidditch and a new broomstick was there that was lying in his room and he was thinking about the game and the broomstick. Therefore, he was not able to concentrate on the lesson. What was doctor's explanation for Lady Macbeth's action? The doctor explained that she has done some wrong deed, you can say, The guilt is there in her conscience. Therefore, she was making such type of actions. How can we suppose to treat doubt? With faith, with confidence, we have to treat such things. Name the professions that the children before Kabir spoke about, and they were the professions of politician or players, you can say. Many common professions they talk about, the children. They talk about, but the Kabir talk about the professions. Those were very different from all those students. So the profession that were discussed by the children were doctor, engineer, politician, player, etc. So it's finished. The MTP we have discussed all the 4 sections also. So all the students will solve this MTP number 1 in their English 2 notebook in a very fair hand. So bye students. I hope you all will do it. Bye.